this rusts and seizes to the plastic, it will no longer spin. So going in and out is fine, but when it comes to the point that it's got to push past the flats of that shape where it goes up into the arm, it can't do it because it won't spin. So it goes a little and then comes back, goes and comes back. So what you need to do is free that up. I like to use just a bunch of penetrant oil. You clean up around the sides of that washer. You could knock it through, but that's what you need to free up. It's not in the transmission. It's usually not the neutral switch. You hit it freed right up there now. You spray a bit of oil in there, you turn it by hand. Problem fixed. Well, the proof's in the pudding, so let's see if it works. Boom. Very nice, very smooth, very easy. Goes all the way into gear. This car didn't before.